Have you felt the shift that is happening in the world? People are tired, running on empty, searching for rest when what they need is balance. They are overwhelmed, pulled by every direction, looking for answers when what they need is clarity. They are disconnected from nature, from our bodies, from each other, chasing connection in all the wrong places when what they need is belonging. More than ever, we are struggling with our health, not because we don't care, but because we don't know how. We have been taught to treat the symptoms, to silence the signals, masking the problem when what we need is to listen. Trapped in cycles when what we need is resolution. We call this normal, but deep down, we know it's not. This isn't how it has to be. People are searching, not for another quick fix, but for something real, something lasting, something true. They are questioning what they've been told, what they've been sold. They are listening, not to the noise, but to their own bodies. They are waking up, not to fear, but to possibility, not to restriction, but to freedom. Something is shifting. A quiet movement, rarely heard, but deeply felt. Movements don't start with crowds. They start with a voice and a choice. They start with someone willing to share, to teach, to guide. Someone who knows there's a better way. This is the wellness revolution. Not a trend, not a fad, but a movement that will change lives. And it starts with you.